I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X5 versus the Range Rover Sport. We'll explore how these two luxury SUVs stack up against each other. The BMW X5 is known for its sporty handling and robust engine choices, delivering an engaging drive on paved roads. In contrast, the Range Rover Sport excels with its legendary off-road prowess and a more comfort-oriented, opulent ride quality. Let's dive into the specifics of their performance. Moving inside, the BMW X5 presents a driver-centric interior, featuring high-quality materials and the user-friendly iDrive infotainment system. Its design prioritizes ergonomics and a connected driving feel. The Range Rover Sport, however, offers a more opulent and spacious cabin, often equipped with dual touchscreens for a sleek, modern aesthetic. Both SUVs provide exceptional comfort and a wide array of advanced technology, including various driver assistance systems, ensuring a premium experience for all occupants. When it comes to practicality, the BMW X5 provides substantial cargo capacity, offering up to 72.3 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down, making it highly versatile for daily use. The Range Rover Sport also delivers ample passenger space and a well-designed trunk, suitable for families and adventurers alike. Both vehicles represent a significant investment, so it's important to weigh their starting prices, fuel efficiency, and potential resale value to determine the best long-term fit for your needs. For those venturing off the beaten path, the Range Rover Sport truly shines, boasting superior off-road capabilities thanks to its advanced terrain response system and adjustable air suspension. While the BMW X5 handles various road conditions with confidence, its focus remains more on on-road dynamics, making it less suited for extreme off-road adventures. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities: dynamic driving versus rugged luxury. Be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.